So which IDE should you use? Well, my recommendation is that you use Visual Studio Code because I'm going to be using it throughout this course. But if you already have a text editor or IDE that you are comfortable with, then use it and don't use Visual Studio Code. The most important thing is that you use the IDE or the text editor that you feel comfortable coding with. Otherwise, just use Visual Studio Code. If you don't have any text editor, just install Visual Studio Code. All you need to do is that you need to head on over to code.visualstudio.com. So it's code.visualstudio.com, and then you can install this for Mac or Windows. If you are a Mac user, just click here on download for Mac, and it will be installed. And you just need it will be downloaded, and you just need to install it as if you are installing any application on your Mac. If you are a Windows user, just select Windows and then select the stable version, stable here. If you are, by the way, if you are using Windows, it's by default it's gonna display here download for Windows, and then just click on it, and it's just gonna download it's gonna download Visual Studio Code, and then you need just to install it on your Windows as if you are installing any program on your Windows. So this is my recommendation in terms of which IDE should you use.